Are you looking for a way to download the Cash app outside of USA or UK? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy trick, and by following this, you can download the Cash app from anywhere with just one click. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open Settings, tap on Apple IT, after that, tap on Media and Purchases. And if you need to enter your Apple ID password, then enter it. After that, tap on Country and Region, then tap on Change Country Region. And now scroll and select the United States or UK because the Cash app is only available in these countries. After successfully changing your country, open the App Store, search Cash app, and tap on the download option, and your app will be started and it will download. So this is how you can download the Cash app from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.